Good morning. Today I'm going to teach a theory, but before I start doing all that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how storytelling applies to the engineering context. So storytelling is widely used across domains and settings, and it's quite a thing that people consider using these days because it works, right? We can actually relate to each other a little bit better that way. Here, a paper tells a story in the same way that a good engineering project does, right? So in the strong novel, for example, the writer opens with a question and keeps you reading until it's resolved, right? So your paper should do that too. It should start with a real technical unknown, like a failure mode, or a performance gap, or a model that doesn't quite match reality yet, or maybe a mechanism that you can't just quite explain yet, and make the reader want to know the answer to it. Here, your characters aren't people. They're the things in your system, like the material, the circuit, the chemical reaction, the data set, the governing equations, the boundary conditions. So your plot is what you do to them. The tests, simulations, derivations, measurements, analyses that push the system until it reveals what's going on. And the ending matters. Good engineering stories don't just describe what happened. They close the loop. So it answers the original question with evidence and uncertainty. It makes clear what the results mean for the design choices, performance, safety, and next steps. So if the reader can't say, here was the question, here's how they attacked it, and here's the answer, then the paper isn't a story yet. It's just documentation. All right, guys, hope that helps. Have a good one. And at LSA Lingua, we're focusing on elevating workplace, academic, and scientific communication.